Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Welcome back, guys. Today I want to talk about a very common DEG inquiry we get here, and that's a challenge in a labor time, something that a repair or a technician disagrees with when they review that repair plan. I've been in those shoes. I've had a technician come back to my office after I thought I wrote the perfect repair plan. Again, they slapped that estimate back on my desk only to find out that they're disagreeing what's on that paperwork. And it may be just an error that's in the database. So again, the shop and the repair, the technician was able to submit a DEG inquiry with the photos of the challenge, with the repair procedures, complexity explanation, showing the weld count, all the things that were involved into replacing that component. On recent inquiry 18884 on a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, the repairer was replacing a frame rail. The system only allowed 3.1 hours to replace that frame rail component. So again, the repairer submitted a photo of the issue, showing the area of the part being replaced, the weld counts, the repair procedures involved. And again, within 24 hours of submitting all that information, we were able to work with the information provider and get it increased to 6.8 hours. That's a huge increase that the repairer was now able to document their repair plan with, get it added onto it, and get their technician paid the new labor time change. So again, with the additional information, with clear information from the repair, submit that to the DEG and we'll help you get that addressed. Thank you. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.